Today I'll be attempting to solve this 6x6 Sudoku. This is created by Ranks. This is part of the Sudoku Adventure series, and this is called 200 Adventures. So this is the 200th episode of the Sudoku Adventure series, which happened a few weeks ago, but I want to try out today. So normal Sudoku rules apply for 6x6. Double arrow rules, so there are circles in the grid attached by lines. The sum of the digits in the circles is equal to the sum of digits on the attached line. Link is in the description if you'd like to follow along, or if you want to play on your own. Okay, let's go. Alright, so let's look at this box first. So we have a 6 in here already. So we can't really put like two high digits on the circles. So we could do 1 and 2, which will equal to 3. Actually, let's look at this cell. Yeah, it can't be 6, of course. Now if it's 5, then it will be 2, 3, or 1, 4. If it was 4, it will be. If it was 4, it could be 1 and 3, and if it's 3, it will be 1 and 2. Okay. So it wasn't that helpful. But we do know now that this cell is only 3, 4, or 5. Let's look at this double arrow, because 6 is pointing to this part. So this could be. This is also like 3, 4, and 5, I think. Yeah, because if it was 2, we'll have 2 1s in here, and that breaks the rules. Let's look at this long arrow right here. Because, let's see. If we try doing 6 and 6, it will be 12. We have 7 cells on this line. There must be something limited to this arrow. Okay, now we could try. If we try putting a 4 in here, then let's see. So we could do. We can't do like 3, 2, and 1 and 1, 2. Because it'll be 1 and 2 pair. Actually, no, it could work. Yeah. So it's 3, 2, 1. That's 6. This is 3, so 9. This is 1 and 2. So that's 3. So that's 12. Yeah, so this means that we have no other choice but to put 6s in here. So these cells are 1, 2, and 3. This is 1, 2 pair. This is a 1, 2, 3 triple. So 6 goes here. This is 4 and 5. This is 1, 2. So this is 3. So this is not 3. So we have 1, 2's in here. This is not 3. This is 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, and 3. So if it was a 4, it will be 1 and 3. Okay. Let's look at this arrow, because this arrow is pretty limited. Because this cell can only be 4 and 5. This cell is being looked at 1, 2, 6. So it could be 3, 4, and 5. Now these two can both be 5 at the most. Which, actually no, there's a lot of possibilities. So let's imagine 4 and 3, which would be 7. So to make 7 with 2 cells in the set of 1 to 6, we could do 1 and 5, which means that 1 will be right here, 5 will be over here. Now, if we try putting a 3 on that cell, so this is 4, and if this was 4 and 3, well, no, this can't be 3 then, because we have a 3 right here. Now we could do 4 and 4, but 4 and 4, so this would be 3 and 5, so that could work. Okay. Now a 6, if a 6 can go there, yeah, a 6 can go in there, because like I said, if it was 4 and 3, we could put a 1 right there. Oh yeah, this is 4 and 5. What am I saying? I'm sorry, we have 3's in here, so this is 4 and 5. Now, if these two were separate, like if this was 4, this could be 5, or this could be 5, this could be 4, it would be 9. So this cell has to be 3, which means that this has to be 6. If it was 2 4s, we'll have to make an 8. So we can't like put 1, 2, or 6 on here. If it was 2 4s, it could be 5 or 3, which actually, yeah, 5 and 3. Now if it was 5 and 5, it would be 10, so we could do 4 and 6. Can't put 5s on here, right? So this is a 5, which means that this is 4. This is 5, 4. So now we have to make 4 with 1 and 3. So this is 2. This is 1. This is 2. This is 1 and 3. This is a 4-5 pair because this pair, these two digits, now we can't put 1 and 2 on here because we have to make a 3. Actually, it could work. Yeah, because this would be 1. We could put 1 right there. This would be 2. No, it can't work. We can't put 1 and 2 together because it still breaks Sudoku. Because like we can't have the same digit in the box or like in same column, so it can't work. Now, if we try 1 and 3, we have to make a 4, which still can't work. If we do 2 and 3, we'll do 4 and 1. We'll have to do 4 and 1 to do that. If we try doing 2 and 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. Right, we can't put a 6 on here because... Actually, no. We could put a 6 on there. Or can we? Because we could put a 6 on this cell. We could do 1, which will be 7. But we can't do that because that'll be 1. If we do 2, it'll be 8. Yeah, it can't work. Because wherever this cell is, it will be this. And that breaks Sudoku. So, this is 6. Which means that this is 6. This is 1 and 3. And it has to be 2 and 3. Because we can't do 1 and 3 together. Because it will be 1 and 3 in these two cells. So it's 2, 3. Alright. That breaks a lot. It breaks through a lot. No. No, that's not good. We did something wrong. Ah. Okay, well, let's look at this arrow then. So now that we have a 6 in this arrow, we could do 4. So if we do 4 and 4, it will be 2, so that can't work. If we do 4 and 5, it will be 9. This would be 3. If it was 5 and 5, this would be 4. Well, this cell can't be 3 because we'll have 1 and 2 in here, and that can't work if we can't have 1 or 2 in these two cells. So that's not 3. And we can't put a 3 on here. Actually, no. I think we can. We can only do 2 and 3, which should be 1 and 4. Okay, well, let's try this again. So 3, 2. This is 1. This is 3. This is 2, 1, 2. And we can't put 2 anywhere in this column. Oh, wait. 1 and 3 can work. 1 and 3 can work, because we could put 2 and 2 in here. Okay, let's go back. Okay. I'm sorry. I thought 1 and 3 can't work, but it could work. Okay, so what is like the best? I need a good like breakthrough for this. I don't want to like go for like the 1 3 for this arrow. 4 and 5, right? They have to go in these 2 cells. So for the 6, this can't be a 5, because that would be 11, and that can't work with 5 and 5. So that's a 4, which means this is 5, this is 5, 4. Okay. Now because this is a 4, we can do... Oh yeah, we have to do 1 and 3, right? So this is 2. This is 1. This is 1. So this can't be a 1 then. Oh yeah, well, gotta get rid of these 1s. So this is 2 or 3. So this is 1. Oh. Okay, this is 1. This is 3. This is 1, 3. This is 2. This is the 3. This is 3 and 2. And there we go. Okay. I was on the edge of like stopping this video if like when I made that huge mistake. I'm so sorry you have to sit through that. That's all my fault. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this puzzle. I kinda enjoyed it. But I'm just glad that I like passed through the mistake. But yeah, I hope you guys didn't make any mistakes, and like hope you guys didn't make that fatal mistake like me. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Signing out.